Hello people, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a rounded rectangle facecam mask in Adobe Premiere. So without wasting more time, let's get on with it. Alright people, now in Premiere Pro I've got this video and what I want to do is put a facecam over it. So I'm gonna grab this clip, which is me talking, then I will go up to effects and from here I'm gonna type crop. I'll go down and under video effects and image control we're gonna find rounded crop. So I'm just gonna grab this and drop it over this video. Then I'm gonna go to the effects control panel, find the rounded crop, and from here I'm gonna just crop it to the left and then to the right. And then I'm gonna crop it a little bit from the top and then from the bottom, just a bit. And if you go further down from offset, you can move it to the spot where you want to do the cropping. So in my case, I think this is perfectly in the center. And to make it even better, what I will do, I'll create keyframes on these values. Then on the offset, then I'm gonna select all the keyframes and move 5, 10, 15 frames forward and move them over here. Then I'm gonna take the cursor and move it at the beginning of the video and reset all the values. I'm gonna zoom in so we can see better. After that, I'm gonna select all the keyframes, right click, temporary separation, ease in. Then once again, right click, temporary separation and ease out. And when I play it, I've got this animation. Next thing I'll do, I'll move the cursor at the end of the animation. Then I'll go up to motion. And from here, I'm gonna scale it down and move it over here like that and create keyframes. Then I'm gonna go back to the beginning and reset the values. And once again, right click, temporary separation, ease in and ease out to make the animation smoother. So when I play it again, we got this animation. It looks a little bit too fast, so I'm gonna move the second pair of keyframes just over here. And I'll do the same with the rest of the keyframes. Just like that. Alright, that looks much better. Boom. And also if you want to apply a stroke, you have to select the clip, then nest it, then go to the film impact dashboard. From there go to utility, find the stroke, then select the clip and go back to the stroke and click on apply. When I move a few frames forward, we can go to the effects control panel, find the stroke effect, and from here, from color, we can change the color. In this case, I'll select yellow. And boom, you've got stroke around your facecam mask. And just like that, people, you can create a rounded rectangle facecam mask in Adobe Premiere. Yeah, you've heard it right. It's Adobe Premiere. No more Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did so, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Adobe Premiere tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.